Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is intact. It is pronounced intact, and it is spelt I-N-T-A-C-T. Think in and then tact. Intact means not damaged or impaired in any way. Complete. For example, you could say the church was in ruins, but its beautiful windows remained intact. Intact comes from the Latin word intactus, meaning untouched or uninjured. This comes literally from the words in, meaning not, and tactus, meaning to touch. The literal translation would be not touch. So, if something is intact, it is not damaged, almost as if it has never been touched. In 1994, British man David Donahue dropped an egg from a height of 700 foot, that's 213 meters, out of a helicopter and onto a golf course. Miraculously, the egg didn't break. It was intact. This is the greatest height anyone has ever dropped an egg from without it breaking. Before dropping the egg, David spent a lot of time studying the science behind the required angle and speed of his drop, basing it on the science of the World War II bouncing bombs. He also suggested that organic eggs were stronger. Intact is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, somehow our house was left intact after the destructive tornado passed through our hometown. Intact is defined in the dictionary as complete and in the original state, not damaged. Intact synonyms include whole, entire, complete, unbroken, undamaged, unharmed, and unscathed. Antonyms include broken, damaged, flawed, harmed, hurt, imperfect, injured, and defective. Look around you now and see if you can see anything that is intact. It could be a very nice vase or a beautiful statue. Either way, impress your parents by pointing out that it is intact. Also be careful whilst you do this to ensure that it stays that way. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.